We've all been there for grocery panic. You just finished the big grocery run, but you have 3 more stops to make, or stuck in the worst traffic, and your favorite ice cream turns into soup when you get home. Normally, this is where the panic sets in, racing against the clock to save your groceries. But lately, I've stopped rushing. Let me show you my mobile pantry. This is a compact compressor fridge for the car. Why do I not just use an insulated bag? There's 2 reasons. Number 1, because I usually forget to bring ice packs like this with me. Number 2, on a long trip, an ice pack eventually fails. On the other hand, this is a real refrigerator. It removes heat and stays at a precise temperature. For my Tesla Model Y, I had 2 priorities for the fridge. Number 1, it had to be lightweight to conserve car battery. Number 2, it had to fit under the floor panel to maximize space and minimize clutter. I love a clean and minimal trunk, so hiding it here is a massive win. One thing to pay attention to is the vents. These units need to breathe in this enclosed space. So using items like shoebox, I leave a small gap for the airflow. Otherwise, it'll overheat and lose efficiency. Here's another tricky part. When you walk away from the car, the 12-volt outlet shuts off automatically. For some models, it's still powered on, but it doesn't go all the way down to the set temperature. To fix this, you have 3 options. Number 1, camp mode. You can do this on the screen or in the app. It keeps the power alive, but unfortunately, Sentry mode turns off. Number 2, keep climate mode. You can do this on the screen or in the app. This keeps the AC running, as well as the fridge while you're away. Number 3, accessory power on. You can turn this on in the app only. This keeps outlets active until the car battery drops below 20%. Leaving this on consumes a bit more battery, so make sure to turn this off when the fridge is not in use. Battery drain with any of these 3 methods was minimal, and it's cheaper than replacing $100 worth of spoiled groceries. Additionally, in case I have both frozen and refrigerated items, I set the temperature to about 34 degrees. Why? This is cold enough for frozen food and safe enough for vegetables. Everything's still perfectly chilled. No more stress, no more rushing, just a more organized way to live. Lastly, leave your fridge open to let the moisture dry out. Next time you pull the car out of the driveway, the lid will close itself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.